here's an app called Sesame, Build Credit Score Tracker and Builder. So let's just tap Get, and then you can just click to install it. It has so many ratings, and then just daily tracker of your credit score. That's a really cool feature. So yeah, see the factors impacting your score, do more with Credit Sesame, see personalized action, use debit to quickly build credit history, apply with confidence, and get credit card offers. Credit Sesame helps you access, understand, leverage, and protect your credit all under one platform, free of charge. Get your free credit score and credit report summary. Start building credit instantly with free credit tips and insights. See personalized loan and credit offers and know your credit card acceptance odds before you apply. Enjoy zero-fee banking and sign up for a credit score builder account to achieve a higher credit score. So yeah, this interesting app, Credit Sesame. If you're concerned about credit score, definitely just take a look to this app. You don't need to use it, but it's quite popular. There is some kind of bug, but probably it's only available in US. That's why I just can't open it up. But I just bring in your attention to this app. That is actually, yeah. So just enter your phone number, email, last 4 digits of SSN, and that's all you need to sign in, create an account. No credit cards required. Join over 17 million members, free credit monitoring, and personalized tips. And then you can just create your account.